at Juicebox DAO. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to add project tags to your Juicebox project, whether you're setting up your project for the first time or want to add tags to an existing one. Project tags are a great way to increase discoverability of your project on Juicebox.money by making it easier to connect you to people interested in supporting specific types of projects. It's also a fun way to browse projects on Juicebox. So, for example, if I click on DAO, I can find projects like Blunt that are actually governed as a DAO. Depending on the nature of your project, you can use up to 3 tags to help define what it's about. Some examples of tags on Juicebox include DAO, art, NFT, charity, events, DeFi, software, and much more. So for this tutorial, we have a project called EcoHive, a startup seeking funds to launch a smart home energy savings app that uses AI. Since this is a campaign to crowdfund a tech product, we're going to add the tags fundraiser and software. It should go without saying that in order to set project tags, you need to be the owner of the project. So before we get started, let's make sure that our wallet is connected. Our first step is to click on Settings on your project page. Under General, you'll see a section for project tags. Here you can click up to 3 tags. If you click the wrong tag, simply click on it again to deselect and choose another one. When you're done, click Save Project Details. This will prompt a transaction that will confirm in our browser wallet. After a few moments, the page should refresh automatically, or you can do it yourself and see the tags have been added. If we click Back to Project, we can also see them right under the project ID. You can also find it on the Explore page by filtering by tags. It's worth noting that this could take some time to show up on the Explore page, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. And that's it. Thanks for watching this tutorial on adding tags to your Juicebox project. If you need help along the way, drop into the support channel in Juicebox Discord at discord.gg/Juicebox.